If your KDP book is getting zero sales, don't worry, it's not your fault. You're probably just missing these 5 simple things. First is SEO keyword. Most beginners make this mistake. They choose creative title instead of searchable ones. Bad example: how to speak chicken. Better title: recent chicken for beginner. Your title, subtitle, and backend keyword should match what people are searching for. If your people find your book, they can sales come. Second is niche down. Don't target everyone, target specific audience. Instead of animal coloring books, go for animal coloring books for toddlers to 4. Less competition, a high chance to rank. You don't need more traffic, you need the right traffic. Third, use the 30 days launch window. Amazon pushes new books in the first 30 days. This is your chance. You get activity fast, share on social media, use small ads, promoting in group. Even a few sales early can boost your ranking. Think of it like you're proving on Amazon your book is worth showing. 4. It's getting reviews. Be honest, would you buy the book with 0 reviews? No, most people won't. So, go to Facebook groups, offer free copies, ask for honest reviews because reviews is trust and the trust is a sales. 5. It's your cover. People judge your book in seconds. If your cover looks bad, they won't even click. You don't need to be a designer. You can hire someone on Fiverr or use a right prompt for generate cover with AI. In this video, I will show you how to turn your book into 45/7 traffic machine. Use AI Sales Rocket. Upload your book, PDF, docs, or any format. Click Generate Content. AI create a post, caption, and image. Contact your account on social media like Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Threads. Now click Publish. Done. Your content now is posting automatically every day. You set it one time and your book getting promoted forever. It because manual posting slow and exhausting. AI Sales Rocket automatically plus consistency. If you want this setup, check AI Sales Rocket, the link in the description. And see you the next one.